Hello students, welcome to our chemistry classmate. In today's session, we shall learn about few more important objective models from the ionic equilibrium. You know already I did three videos based on this. So we shall continue few more models which were asked in the previous various entrance examinations. So as per my textbook, look at the 228 question. How much sodium acetate should be added to a 0.1 m solution of CH3COOH to give a solution of pH 5.5. pKa equal to pKa of CH3CO equal to 4.5. So we shall do this question in another paper. So sodium acetate and sodium acetate and acetic acid. In these two combination, you know the relation as per the hindrance equation. We have to consider this formula. What is that? pH equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Okay, so from here, what is the data given? pH value given, direct substitution I am showing here. 5.5 equal to pKa value already given, that is 4.5, plus log salt concentration we don't know, because what they asked, how much sodium acetate should be added. That means sodium acetate is the salt. By acid concentration, how much given? 0.1 molal solution thing, but concentration given. What is that? 0.1. Is it okay? So from here, log salt concentration by 0.1 equal to 5.5 minus 4.5 will get 1. So log salt concentration is equal to 0.1. So if you take the salt only concentration, you can take antilogarithm of 0.1, then you'll get 1. Is it clear? So then what is our answer here? 1. That means C, option C. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. The pH of solution obtained by mixing 50 ml of 0.4 NaHCl and 50 ml of 0.2 NaOH is. So this is just like acid base mixing. In the last video also I gave this formula. Resultant normality is equal to, or resultant molarity. Generally we can identify normality. So resultant normality equal to VA NA difference VB NB by VA plus VB. This is the basic formula. So here volume into normality, which value is more? As per that we had to suppose acid into normality of acid into volume of the acid value. If you get more, then you can get VA NA minus VB NB. If base value is more, then you can take VB NB minus VA NA divided by VA plus VB is common. Now if you observe here, mixing of 50 ml of 0.4 NaHCl, 50 ml of 0.2 NaOH. In these two, if you multiply these two, acid values are dominated. That is why what we can take resultant Na equal to, or N resultant equal to VA NA minus VB NB by VA plus VB. Okay, VA NA if you multiply, you will get it 20. See there, 50 into 0.4 minus VB NB nothing but 50 into 0.2 will get 10 divided by 50 plus 50 will get 100. So if you simplify 10 by 100 nothing but you will get 0.1. So this is the resultant. Now pH equal to, this is the concentration, minus log H plus, that means minus log 0.1. That is what you get here. So if you simplify, you will get 1. So pH equal to 1. So see that as per the given mixture, acid is dominated, pH value also in the acid range because it is 0 to in between 0 to 7. Is it clear? Then what is our option here? So 1C. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. In a mixture of weak acid and its salt, the ratio of concentration of acid to salt is increased by 10-fold. Okay, ratio of concentration of acid to salt. The pH of the solution is. So again, hindrance equation. You can take pH equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Okay, so here one important point is the same mixture, the ratio of the concentration of acid to salt increased by 10-fold. Acid to salt, that means Suppose if you take this is pH1, so pH2 equal to what will get here, pKa plus log salt by acid, you can multiply with 10 in the denominator, because here what they given, ratio of concentration of acid to salt given, but here salt to acid, that is divided by 10. So if you take this as equation 1 and equation 2, so you can take 1 minus 2, that means pH1 minus pH2. If you take it, what will get here, log salt concentration by 10 into acid concentration minus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Is it okay? So if you simplify this term, you'll get log 10 power minus 1. That means you'll get 1. Is it okay? Because this is log m minus log n, log m by n. If you simplify, you'll get log 10 power minus 1. That means pH1 minus pH2 equal to 1. That means what is the appropriate answer here? Decreases by, because pH value changed. So decreases by 1 unit. Is it okay? So that is why first option is correct. Now look at the question number 231. At 20 degrees centigrade, the Ag plus concentration in saturated solution of Ag2CrO4 is 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter. The solubility product of Ag2CrO4 at 20 degrees centigrade is, so Ag2CrO4, okay, Ag2CrO4, if it is splitting into atoms, what will get here, 2Ag plus CrO4 minus 2. So here concentration of CrO4 minus 2, is it given in the question or not? Ag plus concentration given, but CrO4 minus 2 not given. So CrO4 minus 2 concentration equal to half into Ag plus concentration. Is it correct or not? This is 2 mole, this is 1 mole. That means exactly half concentration. That means what we get here, half into already Ag plus concentration given. What it is, 1.5 into 10 power minus 4. Is it okay? So if we simplify, 0.75 into 10 power minus 4 is the concentration of CrO4 minus 2. Now this kind of salts, what is the relation between Sp and Ksp? You know, Ksp equal to Ag plus concentration square into CrO4 minus 2 concentration. That means 1.5 into 10 power minus 5 whole square into 0.75 into 10 power minus 4. Is it okay? Is it okay? So if you simplify, you'll get 1.65 into 10 power minus 12. Just do the simplification. Is it okay? 1.65 into 10 power minus 12. So what is the appropriate answer? This is B. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. Degree of dissociation of 0.1 NCH3COOH is, degree of dissociation of 0.1 NCH3COOH is, so Ka of the acid given already. So degree of dissociation and equilibrium constant, what is the relation? Alpha equal to root of Ka by C, direct formula. So root Ka value how much given? 10 power minus 5. C nothing but concentration, how much given? 0.1. Is it okay? So if you simplify, you'll get a 10 power minus 2. Is it okay? 10 power minus 2. So what is the appropriate answer here? So D. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. Ka for weak monobasic acid. Ka for weak monobasic acid is 1.0 into 10 power minus 6. The pKb of its conjugate base is, okay, weak monobasic acid. So generally if Ka, Kb are ionization constants of the weak acids and its conjugate base, then this is the formula, Ka into Kb equal to Kw, which is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square. So here they are asking about the Kb value. Means pKb value. pKb nothing but we required Kb value. So Kb equal to what will get here? Kw by Ka. Okay. So Kw nothing but 10 power minus 14 by Ka how much given? 1 into 10 power minus 6. That means 10 power minus 6. So you'll get a 10 power minus 8. So Kb equal to 10 power minus 8. So pKb equal to minus log Kb to the base 10. That means minus log 10 power minus 8. That means you'll get 8. Is it okay? It's simple process. What is the answer now? 8. B. Option B. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. fear or excitement generally causes on to breath rapidly, and its result decreases of CO2 concentration in the blood. In what way will it change the pH of the blood? pH will increases, pH will decreases, no change, pH will adjust to 7. Okay, so what they were asked in this question, just it is a general type question only. A fear or excitement generally causes the breath rapidly. We are taking breath rapidly. In that time, CO2 concentration decreases in the blood level. So what they asked finally, pH, how it causes the pH. What is the effect of pH they asked. Remember that in the blood system, you know, H2CO3. H2CO3. Okay, carbonic acid and sodium bicarbonate. Generally, this carbonic acid H2O also present, CO2 also present in the human system. It convert to H2CO3. So H2CO3 maintain existing equilibrium with H plus and HCO3 minus. Observe here, if CO2 is decreases, reaction move towards backside. Is it okay? As per the given data, CO2 concentration less in the blood. That means, as per this equilibrium reaction, it moves backward. If it moves backward, automatically this affects the H plus value. That means H plus value decreases, automatically pH value increases, because pH equal to minus log H plus. It is a very simple logical question. Is it clear? Then what is our answer? pH will be decreases. pH will be increases. H plus decreases, pH increases. So option A. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. This is also general type only. When rain is accompanied by the thunderstorm, the collected rainwater will have a pH value. Okay. So thunderstorm accompanied, that means generally temperature increases. So during the rain time, if thunderstorms exist, automatically temperature increases. If temperature increases, automatically H plus value increases. If H plus value increases, automatically pH value decreases. Because due to the thunderstorm, temperature increases, automatically H plus concentration increases. Because splitting nature increases, automatically H plus concentration increases. If H plus increases, automatically pH decreases. Is it clear? Then what is our appropriate answer? pH will decreases. So see there, slightly lower than that of rainwater without thunderstorm. Is it okay? So options what they given, which depends on the amount of dust in the air, slightly higher than when the thunderstorm is not there, uninfluenced by occurrence of thunderstorm, slightly lower than that of rainwater. See there, pH value affecting this one, slightly lower than that of. So why it is slightly lower than that of the rainwater? Because due to the thunderstorm, temperature increases, H plus increases. If H plus increases, pH decreases. Is it okay? So remaining not suitable to the given question. Right. Look at the next question. Which of the following statement about pH and H plus ion concentration is incorrect? So look at the first option. Addition of 1 drop of concentrated HCl in NH4OH solution decreases the pH of the solution. Second option, pH of pure neutral water is not 0. Third, a solution of the mixture is one equivalent of each of CH3COH and NaOH has a pH of 7. A cold and concentrated H2SO4 has a lower H plus ion concentration than a diluted H2SO4. Is it okay? So observe here, they are asking about the incorrect statement. First of all, addition of 1 drop of concentrated HCl in NH4OH solution decreases the pH value. Is it correct? Is it correct? It does not correct. What is the reason? It is correct. What is the reason? Because HCl is a strong, NH4OH is weak, then HCl is dominated, automatically pH value decreases. Because H plus ion concentration increases. That is why this is a correct statement. Second one, pH of pure neutral water is not 0. Yes, this is also correct statement only. Because in that due to the dust particles, it may be some acidic. Is it okay? Third option is there. A solution of the mixture of one equivalent of each CH3COH and NaOH has a pH of 7. So it is not exactly 7. What is the reason? Because it is strong. This is weak, this is strong. It may be it may be more than 7. NaOH, if it is present, definitely it may be more than 7. That is why this is incorrect statement. Last one is that a cold and concentrated H2SO4 has a lower H plus ion concentration than the diluted solution of H2SO4. Yes, it is exactly correct. On dilution, generally it is decreases. Is it okay? So observe here. Look at the last one more question. Which of the following statement is not true? Okay. pH plus pOH equal to 14 for all aqueous solutions. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct. Basic formula, that is. pH of 10 power minus 8 m HCl is 8. So this is wrong. What is the reason? HCl is acid. Definitely it must be lower than 7 or close to 7. But it is 8 given. 8 is wrong. This is the wrong statement. Third option is there. 96,500 coulombs of electricity when passed through the copper sulfate deposit 1 gram equivalent of the copper at cathode. This is correct. As per the electrochemistry rules, it is correct. We will discuss detail in the electrochemistry part. And last, the conjugate base of H2PO4 minus is HPO4 minus 2. Yes, it is also correct because here to here 1 H plus and difference is there. Is it okay? So these are the some model questions. I hope you understood clearly. So we will meet again in another video with another chapter based on the students' requirement. So I will start some electrochemistry, thermodynamics also. So we will meet again. So please subscribe it and share it. Please write the valuable comments there itself. In video itself, please share your valuable comments. Thank you.